You don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell me say you have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl come on bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from Rat Chapo. Yes, everybody more gonna go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Welcome to Irawma, 40 years. What a time.
To Shami Calvin and just really want to say big up Bad Bigs Entertainment.
Blessed up, this is Irawma representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment promotion. Good luck. Right, that's what Irawma representing. Yeah. Never go around congregation, boy. Your Bad Bigs are burn pagans, so I never go where the pagans go. Blessed up, this is Warrior King, Bad Bigs promotion. Big up yourself, Bad Bigs Entertainment promotion. This is Warrior King, Rastafari. Blessed up.
It's a show with Roots FM and Rock and Radio. In dance, and a feature big entertainment. Friend this. Warrior King. Come in at this one. Yeah, really. Warrior King, I'm ready. We're in that Bad Bigs Entertainment right about long time. Warrior King and Sugar Whale. Bad Bigs Entertainment.
Say the thing is love in the dance and in dance. Foundation.
Blue, Lady Spice.
Can you go to the microphone? Can you go to the microphone? Let us hear what you have to say to the Queen.
Yes, let me say as tonight with this award we have over 400,000 people voted for all the categories in this award this year. And that's a whole lot of people from around the globe. And when it comes to when we talk about the Queen of the Dancehall, global Queen of the Dancehall, by far, a runaway winner, Spice as the Queen, the international global Queen of Dancehall. No one else could walk near her. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Woo. Thank you. Thank you so much. First I want to greet the Spirit of God who's always ahead of my life. Big up Father God. If it's not Him, then nothing is possible. Thank you so much for honoring me with this award to Martins International. It's 40-year celebration, and to be awarded, it's 20 years now that I've been in the business, and I don't take this lightly because I feel like I'm reaping the seeds that I've sown for 20 years. And as a black woman, sometimes when we bust through the door and the gate and do the things that when they make me feel like it was impossible, we have to feel good about ourselves. So big up me for being consistent, for fighting hard and breaking barriers and believing in my dreams and chasing it. To everybody that has supported me throughout the years, thank you so much. It was because of you. Bounty Killer, I know he was here. I'm not sure if he's still here, but I continue to give him thanks because he's the first person to hand me the microphone. I opened up the door of dancehall and let me in. So Bounty Killer, thank you for believing in me before I even believed in myself. Since I was 14 years old, he saw my talent, and everything that he has said and speak into my career has molded me and shaped me into the artist that I am today. Big up Baby Sham, big up Ninja Man, Vibes Cartel, thank you. Shaggy, thank you so much for what you have done for me. And everybody that has an input in my career, Ray Alexander who is here, my kids, Nicholas and Nicola Tai, big up on yourself, Mama Jella, my father who made me become an artist, and I'm not sure if I'm leaving anybody out, but big up everybody, the best of them that voted, everyone on the up on the website and vote for me to receive this award. Besties, this is because of you. Thank you all so much. Big up on yourself. Right there, so it's a very big thing. It's not a small thing. Remember, this is a very big thing.
Let's hear it for the Queen of Dancehall. Ladies and gentlemen, it is well deserved.
And drop the next song same time. Cause enough of them they think me that go flop and mash up. You know it already, right? Yes, I was afraid. I was terrified. No one knows what I really been through, but God stayed by my side. Been through the darkest road.
because me overcome. When enough of them I look for see me flop and mash up. If we drop down in a this, we get back and stand up. God they on my side in a times when it rough. And me stand up in a this, up in a this. Them call up in him and mix up in him and tell I what I think. They never know if they never alive, but yes, the news I bring. Carrying a bitch chest, prove I got me worshiping. That should be all like bringing a news. Me see the enemy a pre when them see the new me. My new life at this them envy. Sit down and a chat and them a worry about me. Living in my new life in a silo. Oh, no matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me too, them see God a bless me. All what them attack them can't caress me. But when see me new life success caress me. Oh, no matter what them can't depress me. Them don't like me too, them see God a bless me. All what them attack them can't dress me. But when see me new life success caress me. The nigga life go cool. I love you guys. Thank you very much.
Give her a round of applause. Hard-working lady in the dancehall fraternity.